Let's meet Venkat, one of our top 20 finalists of Vidblock's Young Inventor TechFest 2020.
Hi everyone, I am Venkatsai Vishwanath. People call me Venki. I live in Hyderabad and I'm 16 years old studying in Sri Chaitanya Junior College in 11th grade. I'm very excited to participate in this program and I'm very hopeful that I end on the good side.
This safety gate uses a website which uses AI to detect the face mask, and so as you can see, whenever the face mask, it opens the gate, and this LDR detects the indication that if we wear a mask and we don't, and it sends a signal to the servo motor and opens the gate. Now as you can see, when I wear the mask, the gate opens, and when I don't, the gate closes. So these can be used in shops.
When I went to the nearby store, I observed that many people were not wearing the masks, and which was very dangerous for as it kept everyone at the risk of catching COVID. So I talked to the shop owner and asked him why he was allowing all these people. So he told that he couldn't refuse them as he had to run his business. So I wanted to solve this problem, and I promised the shopkeeper that I would solve that problem and help him to be safe and also run his business. So the first challenge was to develop a computer vision which could distinguish the people who were wearing masks and who were not. And the second challenge was to change that output given by the computer vision into a mechanical chain which could allow or deny the person with the mechanical motor. So I had to do a lot of research regarding this computer vision, as it was very new subject to me. So I have gone through the net and saw a lot of computer vision based videos, and I finally found a website which was based on machine learning. So I used that which could detect the face mask, and I have used a servo motor and an LDR, which was a light detecting resistor. So I finally made the prototype, which was the first prototype, and which was basic. So the basic features I would like to integrate into my next prototype would be to make it simple to use and simple to install, and the next would be to make it cost efficient, and the third would be to integrate this system with a thermal camera, which could be beneficial for both for checking the temperature as well as checking the masks. So one of the funny things which I have gone through is I have seen some machine learning algorithms which were detecting human faces as animals or any other objects, which I wanted to share with you.
So let's open the floor for question and answers. Over to you, judges.
Thank you very much for a very clear presentation. I was impressed that you went to speak to the end customer and the shopkeeper first. In taking that a step forward, how much do you think the shopkeeper would pay for your system? What's the business benefit of the application?
Yeah, so the first prototype I had used a laptop which was not affordable by all shopkeepers. So I had another plan by using a separate microcontroller which had an inbuilt camera, which is ESP32 cam module. So with that, it could be made very cost efficient and easy to install also.
Very good. I'm impressed by your problem solving and learning how to solve particular issues as you come across them. Well done.
Thanks a lot.
Venki, good presentation and well thought out as well. And you mentioned machine learning, so I would presume it. See, it is a real problem out here. No mask, etc. People enter, but the camera would recognize whether the mask is on or not. But typically, what happens, at least what I see in Bombay, is that people wear the mask, but it is below their nose.
Yeah,
which effectively is useless. So,
yes.
Is it able to detect that?
Yes, of course it can.
So if it is below, the mask is being worn, but it is below the nose,
Yeah.
you would be able to figure out?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Great presentation. I just want to know, how are you getting the data set for all this? Are you capturing pictures yourself?
Yeah, actually, not only myself, but some other people with different
Okay.
face features, like my family members, and different masks also. And
And are you
colors.
using TensorFlow?
Not TensorFlow, Teachable Machine. So for the first prototype, but I would be using ESP32. So that would
Okay.
be.
So just as a suggestion, I would recommend you try the BitBlocks AI blocks.
Yeah, exactly. But actually, I made this project actually 4 to 5 months back. So
Yeah, I know.
by that time, yeah.
Great project.
Thanks a lot for your suggestions.
Okay, one more question, Venkat, quickly. Once you get the coefficient from your teachable machine, how do you translate that into your hardware? Are you using any other hardware other than your laptop, or?
Yeah, actually, I used an LDR so that it gives a color detection. So that LDR detects that color detection and sends the signal to the servo motor, which opens the gate and closes the gate.
Are you using any other microcontroller?
No.
Okay.
No, actually, it can also be made with Arduino and other microcontrollers, but the thing which I used was BitBlocks, as it was very easy to use, and it had an inbuilt potentiometer, so through which we can change the values.
So current prototype is using a laptop, or the current prototype is the ESP one?
No, the current prototype is the laptop one.
Okay, but you're planning to do it with
Yeah.
ESP and the camera module, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Many congratulations to Venkat for his invention. On behalf of the entire team of WITBlocks and TechFest, we wish him the very best of luck for the future.